Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Beautiful Brand, and on this channel I talk about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. I'm also a certified teacher and I love teaching, and most of our time working with my students and on YouTube. So I figure, why don't I start a YouTube channel? So this video today is going to be about these beautiful Nubian twists. All right, so I left a few out at the top, and let's get started. I'll show you how I install them. Okay, so I will be using Jamaican mango lime locking gel. I'll use that today, and I'll be using this Miss Jessie's curly buttercream, which is awesome. Okay, and the hair that I'm going to install looks like this, and it's just the springy Nubian twist. Wait, I have the pack. This is the pack that it came in. So it's by Katie, Nubi, and I ordered this, and it came in 3 packs, and so far I've used 2. So what I do is cut the hair in half, and then you're going to take one, kind of rub your fingers through to make it fluffy on each side. All right, and I'm gonna do the other one. All right, so I left some hair out at the top, and you guys, I am natural, but what I did for this particular hairstyle, I just washed my hair, conditioned really good, and blow dried a little, and just twisted it up and let it the rest air dry, and then the next day I started on my hair. So I take about that much, put this out the way, take about this much hair, the Miss Jessie's, that much, you want to make sure you're moisturizing your hair for this protective style. Comb it through. I just take the 2 pieces and put them, so this is one, this is the other, put it towards the middle and to make a longer piece. So basically this piece, put them together, and there you go. So now I'm going to install this on my hair. You can take a little the Miss Jessie's and apply it to the hair, since it is going to be on your hair. I usually keep them for about a month. So the method that I'm doing is, I'm just going to start off with the braid. So I'm starting off with the braid. Down a little bit further. So you see how this is my hair right here, and this is the weave hair. So I split my hair and put it with the weave hair, and then I just flip it over, take a little of the Miss Jessie's, and also need the locking gel. Take a little bit of that, Put it on there and twist the opposite way. Braid it off a little and then start at the twist, and it's just really light hair. It's my hair. Wrap it around like so and start to braid. And I know there's other methods to doing this, but this is what works for me. Some people use crochet, some people use the twisting, just the twisting method, but this works for me. So this is my hair in the middle. Gonna separate it, put it on both sides, flip it over, take some of that locking gel and twist. Now I have one more, last one. Take them as Jessie's. Comb it through. Make sure you get those in. Okay. Just twist with your finger, and there you go. Last twist. All right, so now I'm gonna add some jewelry. you guys, it did not take a long time. Well, actually it took 4 hours to install this hair, but y'all, I was eating, I took a break to watch a TV show, and yeah, because I didn't really have anything to do. So I just took my time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, you guys, like this video, share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate your support, and let me know what other videos you would like to see. Please leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And remember, be you, be true, be beautiful. Bye, guys.